I am not spoiling anything about Wandavision, okay? Only artwork related things. You got it? Awesome. Enjoy the video. Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm a graphic designer, content creator falling in love with 80s, synthwave, retro and cyberpunk. And in this video I'll explain to you how I created this occasional artwork as a tribute to a Marvel TV show, Wandavision. The series was very inspired by a classic sitcoms and every episode celebrates a different decade in television. Wandavision uses one sitcom of a particular era as a stylistic jumping off point. And I really enjoyed this series and love the visual and stylistic choices. Especially 80s were a nice touch, inspired by family ties, but I wanted to go in different direction with my artwork and create something more darker. As a main reference I took this amazing poster made by Fossil Mate and this piece of art from movie Poltergeist original one from 1982. Whole poster is violet instead of red to fit it more to a big villain of the show. If you are new on this channel, please smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my new videos. I'm doing some cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Okay, let's do this. I'll explain step by step in Photoshop how I achieved this final result. So first of all, I took these pictures from FreePic and Envato Elements. All links to images are in the description down below. I did the gradient for the background using these colors. I've done some darkness and wall texture afterwards. And obviously the floor for this room. A little bit of color and darkness here. Also I used carpet to give that texture to it. Next was CRT old school TV and shadow underneath. I wanted to make this telly flying in a more dramatic angle, a little bit of fog behind. I had to use hue and saturation layer to adjust this TV to the rest of the picture and blend it nicely. Then first white layer for the screen. An image from episode 5 of Wandavision, glow to make this screen pop up a little bit more. Then CRT texture to make it more convincing. At the end I decided to turn it black and white to make it stand out even more. Then I used some Photoshop magic, to put stars, sparkles and spellish effects, blending this nicely with the rest of this image. And then hand casting spells in the right bottom corner. I had to change a few options here like levels to fit it more, then lettering using font Helvetica Neue Black and glossy effect to match with poster from Poltergeist. A little bit more of fog and the same texture that you can notice here in the source material. Cherry on the top is, as always, a camera raw filter to adjust some stuff like shadows, highlights, temperature, etc, etc. After that, some Gaussian blur and small adjustments in the levels. And that's it, the final piece. It was a joy to make some fun art for this great show. At this time I also have a present for you, PSD file with this project including all the layers that you've seen in this material. Link in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this already. Hit the like and leave a comment. I appreciate your feedback and questions. Have a good night.